Morning students, welcome to 9th standard geometry, lesson number 6, circle module 3. Students, let's recall what we studied in this chapter. We have studied circle and some terms related with a circle and in circle of a triangle. There is the circle which touches all the sides of a triangle is called in circle of the triangle, and the center of the circle is called the in center of the triangle. And how to construct the in circle of a triangle. And next is the circumcircle. Circle passing through all the vertices of a triangle is called the circumcircle of the triangle, and the center of the circle is called circumcenter of the triangle. And how to construct the circumcircle of a triangle. Children, let's start your problem set 6, question 1. Choose correct alternative answer and filling the blanks. First one, radius of a circle is 10 cm and distance of a chord from the center is 6 cm. Hence the length of the chord is dash. Options are given. A is 16 cm, B is 8 cm, C is 12 cm and D is 32 cm. First to draw the circle, and here OA is the radius of a circle is 10 cm and OC is equal to 6 cm. In this question we have to find length of AB. Therefore first you have to find length of AC because OCA is a right angle triangle, and therefore by the Pythagoras theorem OA square is equal to AC square plus OC square. Therefore 10 square is equal to AC square plus 6 square. Therefore AC square is equal to 10 square minus 6 square, that is equal 64. Therefore AC is equal to square root of 64 is 8 centimeter. Therefore you have already learned the perpendicular drawn from center of the circle on its chord bisect the chord. Therefore AC is equal to half of AB. Therefore AB is equal to 2 into AC, that is equal 16 centimeter. Therefore option A is your answer, that is 16 centimeter. Second question, the point of concurrence of all angle bisectors of a triangle is called the dash. Options are A is centroid and B is circumcenter, C is incenter and D is orthocenter. The answer is option C, incenter. Third question, the circle which passes through all the vertices of a triangle is called dash. Options are A is circumcircle and B is incircle, C is congruent circle and D is concentric circle. The answer option A is your answer, circumcircle. Question 4. Length of a chord of a circle is 24 centimeter if distance of the chord from the center is 5 centimeter. Then the radius of that circle is dash. Options are A is 12 centimeter, B is 13 centimeter, C is 14 centimeter, D is 15 centimeter. In this circle, length of the chord AB is equal to 24 centimeter. Therefore, AC is equal to half of AB, that is 12 centimeter. And distance of the chord from the center, in this figure OC is equal to 5 centimeter. We have to find the radius of the circle, that is length of OA. Therefore by the Pythagoras theorem, OA square is equal to AC square plus OC square. Therefore OA square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. There is 144 plus 25 is equal to 169. OA square is equal to 169. Therefore, OA is equal to square root of 169 is 13 centimeter. Therefore, your option B is your answer, that is 13 centimeter. Question 5. The length of the longest chord of the circle with radius 2.9 centimeter is dash. Options are A is 3.5 centimeter, B is 7 centimeter, C is 10 centimeter, D is 5.8 centimeter. The longest chord of the circle is equal to diameter, that is equal to 2 into radius, that is 2 into 2.9 is equal to 5.8 centimeter. Therefore, option D is your answer, 5.8 centimeter. And question 6. The radius of a circle with a center O is 4 centimeter. If length of OP is equal to 4.2 centimeter, say where the point P will lie. Option A is on the center, B is inside the center, inside the circle, C is outside the circle, and D is on the circle. There is the radius of a circle is given as 4 centimeter. Therefore, length of OP is the bigger number, that is length of OP is greater than radius. Therefore, P lies in the exterior of the circle. Therefore, option C is your answer. P will lie outside the circle. Here, question number 7. The length of parallel chords which are on opposite sides of the center of a circle are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. If radius of the circle is 5 centimeter, then the distance between these chords is dash. Options are given. A is 2 centimeter, B is 1 centimeter, C is 8 centimeter, and D is 7 centimeter. First draw the figure, and here in this circle PQ and MN are the two chords of length 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. And in this chords, the length of AQ is equal to half of PQ, that is equal to 4 centimeter. And in this figure, length of BN is equal to half of MN is equal to 3 centimeter. And OA perpendicular to PQ and OB also perpendicular to MN. And therefore, triangle OAQ is a right angle triangle, and triangle OBN also right angle triangle. And here OQ is the radius and ON is also the radius. First we have to find length of OA and then length of OB, and then adding OA and OB, then you will get distance between these chords. And first write PQ is equal to 8 centimeter and MN is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, AQ is equal to 4 centimeter and BN is equal to 3 centimeter. In triangle OAQ, angle OAQ is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, OQ square is equal to OA square plus AQ square. And therefore 5 square is equal to OA square plus 4 square. Therefore OA square is equal to 25 minus 16 is equal to 9. Therefore OA is equal to square root of 9 is 3 centimeter. And in triangle OBN, by Pythagoras theorem, ON square is equal to OB square plus BN square. And therefore it is equal, 5 square is equal to OB square plus 3 square. Therefore, OB square is equal to 5 square minus 3 square is equal to 16. Therefore, OB is equal to 4 centimeter. And now AB is equal to OA plus OB, that is equal 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 centimeter. And here the option C is your answer. Option D is your answer, 7 centimeter. Question number 2. Construct incircle and circumcircle of an equilateral triangle DSP with a side 7.5 cm. Measure the radii of both the circles and find the ratio of radius of circumcircle to the radius of incircle. First, you have to construct equilateral triangle DSP of length 7.5 cm. And in the case of equilateral triangle, three sides of the triangles are equal. Then after to construct circumcircle and incircle in one triangle, that is DSP. And first you have to draw the rough figure. And according to the rough figure, PS as take as the base of length 7.5 centimeter and draw here DP is equal to 7.5 centimeter and DS is equal to 7.5 centimeter. And then here it is the first triangle DSP. You have already learned how to construct the circumcircle and incircle of a triangle in the previous module. Same method you have to construct first the incircle of a triangle. And in the incircle of a triangle, here CM as the radius of the circle. And second one here the circumcircle of a triangle. In the case of the circumcircle, CP as the radius of the circle and measure the length of CP radius CP and measure the length of the radius CM. Radius of incircle is equal to 2.2 centimeter and radius of circumcircle is equal to 4.4 centimeter. In this question also we have to find ratio of radius of circumcircle to the radius of incircle. Therefore, radius of circumcircle upon radius of incircle is equal to 4.4 upon 2.2. And omit the decimals, therefore 44 upon 22 is equal to 2 upon 1. Therefore ratio is equal to 2:1. One more example I am showing for your better understanding. Question number 4. In the adjoining figure, C is the center of the circle and segment QT is a diameter and CT is equal to 13, CP is equal to 5. Find the length of chord RS. Figure is already given. In this figure, we have to find length of RS and CT is equal to 13, that is the radius. And first write given. In a circle with the center C and QT is a diameter and CT is 13 units and CP is equal to 5 units. And to find length of chord RS. And here construction. Join R and the points R and C. And then solution. In this figure, CR is equal to CT is equal to 13 units. That is the radius of the same circle. That is the equation number 1. And now I am considering the triangle CPR. In triangle CPR, angle CPR is equal to 90 degree. And therefore by this triangle is the right angle triangle. Therefore by the Pythagoras theorem, CR square is equal to CP square plus RP square. Therefore 13 square is equal to 5 square plus RP square from equation 1. Therefore 169 is equal to 25 plus RP square. Therefore RP square is equal to 169 minus 25 is equal 144. Therefore, is equal to square root of 144 is equal to 12 centimeter. That is equation number 2. And now here segment CP is perpendicular to chord RS, that is already given, and therefore by the condition perpendicular drawn from center of the circle to the chord bisect the chord. Therefore RP is equal to half into RS. Therefore RP is already we got from 2 equation 2, 12 is equal to 1 by 2 into RS. Therefore RS is equal to 2 into 12 is equal to 24. Therefore the final answer, length of chord RS is equal to 24 units. Question number 5. In the adjoining figure, P is the center of the circle and chord AB and chord CD intersect on the diameter at the point E. And if angle AEP congruent to angle DEP, then prove that AB equal to CD. Figure is already given. In this figure, chord AB and chord CD are intersect at the point E, and the point E is on the diameter. An angle AEP and angle DEP are congruent is given, and we have to prove that chord AB is equal to chord CD. And first write given P is the center of the circle and chord AB and chord CD intersect on the diameter at the point E, and angle AEP congruent to angle DEP, and to prove AB equal to CD. Then construction. Draw segment PM perpendicular to chord AB, that is A dash M dash B, and segment PN perpendicular to chord CD, this is C dash N dash D. And proof. Here angle AEP congruent to angle DEP, that is already given. Therefore segment ES is the bisector of angle AED. In this figure, segment ES is the bisector of an angle AED. Then the point P is on the bisector of angle AED. Therefore PM is equal to PN, because every point on the bisector of an angle is equidistant from the sides of the angle. Therefore chord AB congruent to chord CD, because chords which are equidistant from the center are also congruent. Therefore AB is equal to CD, that is because of length of the congruent segments. Question number 6. In the adjoining figure, CD is a diameter of the circle with a center O. Diameter CD is perpendicular to chord AB at point E. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Figure is already given. In this figure, here's O is the center of the circle and CD is the diameter of the circle. And diameter CD is perpendicular to chord AB is given. In this question, we have to prove that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, in this figure, we have to prove that any two sides of the triangle are equal. First write given O is the center of the circle and diameter CD perpendicular to chord AB and A dash E dash B. And to prove triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. And proof diameter CD perpendicular to chord AB is given, and therefore segment OE is also perpendicular to chord AB, because C dash O dash E and O dash E dash D. And therefore segment AE congruent to segment BE because perpendicular drawn from center of the circle to the chord bisect the chord. That is the equation number 1. Segment AE congruent to segment BE. That is equation 1. Now I am considering the two triangle CEA and triangle CEB. In triangle CEA and triangle CEB, first write the congruent parts. Angle CEA congruent to angle CEB, each angle is 90 degree. And segment AE congruent to segment BE from equation 1. And segment CE congruent to segment CE, there is the common side. By which condition these two triangles are congruent? Side, angle, side. By SAS test, triangle CEA congruent to triangle CEB. Therefore, by CSCT, segment AC congruent to segment BC. That means the two sides of the triangles are congruent. Therefore, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Thank you, my dear students.